Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to make a shortcut to our live transcribe functions in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. So where to look for live transcribe options? Settings, of course. Then we are looking for accessibility options here, and in hearing enhancements at the top we have live transcribe. When we open this menu, we have live transcribe shortcut. Turn it on, and now we have a few options. For example, we can add it to our accessibility button that is usually in the bottom right corner. We can also press and hold volume and up and down keys for 3 seconds, or press and volume keys, side and volume keys. This is easier, in my opinion. So let's see if it works. Open live transcribe shortcut. And now live transcribe is open. Very easy to do. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.